Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Outdoortide. Now that is www.outdoortide.com. Now Outdoortide is an exceptional store. They sell cross stitch, and that's our favorite. They sell all the newest beaded cross stitches, and guess what? They are stocking the newest Mona Lisa 9-count cross stitch. It's newly loaded. You must go and have a look. Now above that, they do diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and all the tools and accessories you can ever dream of. They also do epoxy molds. You must go and play around on the site to see what there is. And there's something for everyone. Now, if you order over $59, you get free shipping. Now, listen to this. If you want to save a little bit more, you type in my discount code. And my discount code is RELLA15 off. Yes, you heard right. 15% off. That is huge savings. Now, above that, they offer, if you do $39, if you order over that's not what I mean. If you order over $39, you get a free blind box. Now that is big savings. And then they also, for about 10 days and a few hours, still have their 13% off, and the code is OOT13. You can only use one code. So you are my subscriber, use my discount code. That gives you 15% off. And remember that $39, if you spend that, you get a free blind box. Now that is amazing. Go and look. The website is very easy to navigate. Now, let's look what I've got for you today. We are doing Alice, but Van Gogh Alice, right? So which one are we going first? So Alice alone, we do her later. Ooh, I'm going to bump over things here. Oh, my soul. No, that's not right. Oh, my stitchy soul. All right, so let's have a look at this. Sorry, the crinkly paper is staying. I do not have replacements yet. That's staying. Sorry. Let's have a look. I'm very excited about these. I think they are gorgeous. All right. So, the little toolkit we've got 5 needles in a test tube, a needle threader, and a thimble. And if you're watching Outdoortide, please let them replace this with a silicone finger. These thimbles, they hurt, they don't work, and it's just an extra that does nothing. Please, that silicone fingers. I'm talking about something like this. They nice. If we get a medium silicone finger in here, man, it will be perfect. But it's still amazing. All right, so let's have a look at the pattern. All right, it is on my favorite shiny foam. You know I love this foam because of its durability. But remember, do not get it wet. It's not water resistant. It's going to make you a very sad person if you do that. Everything will wash away. This is 11 count, 45 by 45 centimeters. Beautiful picture. It's so cute. It's a tea party. Look at that. The Mad Hatter and Alice are having a tea party. She's got a little bunny next to her. Don't really know where he fits in, but yes. No, I don't. Oh, I can't think now, but whatever. There's an instruction leaflet printed on your pattern. The pattern is nice and big. You can see everything. I can show you. Look at that. From close up, you can see. There you go. Everything. Now it's 168 stitches by 168 stitches and 40 colors. This is very cute, guys. I think this is cute. Very cute. If I live long enough and my kids have grandkids, then I'll do this for them. Alright, that's the pattern. Pattern's amazing. Let's have a look at the Ada. There you go. We've got the bright white Ada. There it is. And then, right side up. It's small. It's not that big. This is an easy, quick stitch, people. 40 colors. It's serge all the way around. for our convenience. 11 count, 45 by 45 centimeters. Then the printing is amazing. You can see everything. It's bright, it's clear, and there's no misjudgment of any symbol. Let me show you. Oh, just hold on. The cat scratched me on the leg. I don't know. Do you guys know where you itch when the cat scratch you? When they play? I don't know. The cat scratched me and then it's itchy. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Amazing. So this is 1,000,000% beautiful. It's so easy to stitch this up, and it's 11 counts, so it's fast, very fast. Same as your 9 counts. Go and look at the 9 counts. I'll bring them to you soon. It is fabulous. Amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, so let's have a look at the pretties. Oh, my stitchy soul. Look at the colors. Now, this is a very colorful one. So I expected nice colors, and I was not disappointed. Look at these colors. Look at that. As you can see, there aren't floss drops. I'll loosen that when I pack them away. And there you go. Look how beautiful. You guys know I love Alice, right? I've got so many Alice stitches. I love Alice. Look at these colors. This is going to be fun. Fun under the sun. This is really, really pretty. Excellent, excellent product. All right. Now, let's look at that second one. Look at how cute that is. And now, while you're looking at that, I want to ask if it's the first time you're watching my videos. If you would be so kind, and if you want to, please subscribe to my channel. It is for free. By doing that, you motivate me to make more videos like this for you. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I promise I will personally get back to you. All right, so one done, one to go. I bought these. They set, or I got these. They set, and I think they are fabulous. So let's have a look if this one is also fabulous. All right, let's start off with this. 5 needles, needle threader in a little test tube with your ouchie. That ouchie thimble. I don't know, maybe I've got fat fingers or something. I don't know, it hurts me. Great, we've got everything we need. Our pattern is on my favorite shiny foam for durability. Remember not to get it wet in the front. Why? It's not water resistant, people. Please, please, please. Now, 11 count, 45 by 45. It is Alice with the Mad Hatter's hat and a bunny, and they're having a tea party looking at the Van Gogh sky. The instruction leaflet's printed on your pattern, same as the other one, 168 by 168 stitches. Beautiful printing, clear. You can't see that clear. My light is funny with me, so look at that. It is clear. You can read every symbol. There's no blotches. Excellent. 40 colors once again. It's a cartoon. This is going to look fabulous, and I love these. These are just, I actually adore them. All right, so perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's just pack that away. Packety pack away. There you go. And then let's have a look at the Ada once again. Perfect bright white Ada. It is serged all the way around for our convenience. 11 count, 45 by 45 centimeters, 168 stitches by 168 stitches. And it's fabulous. It's 40 colors. All the symbols you need are right here for your convenience and also on your pattern. And then look at this. Very easy. Very, very easy. Yeah, there's some scattered stitches, but you can finish your thread because you jump one or two. So very, very easy. Smallish stitch. I adore this. I think it's amazing. It is beautiful. I'm going to hide these far, far away. It's my precious. I really, really love them. So let me show you. So you can see from close up, the printing. Look. You can see every symbol quite clearly. Fabulous, amazing product, right? I think it is super, super. Look, it's a bunny. I love it. Oh my, Stitchy soul, look at this. Look at this one's colors. Why is it so different from that one's colors? Oh my soul. Let's have a look. Oh man, am I now stupid or something? I can't find the little, sometimes these packets confuse me, so I can't see where's the little sticky part. But it happens to the best of us, right? Look at this. See, that's what I'm talking about. You just look and you find all this deliciousness. Yes. Alright, so let's have a look here. Okay. Oh! Woo! Look at the colors. You know, I think you've heard it 100 times before. But I'm going to do it again. This never gets old. Oh, opening new thread is like quenching your thirst when you're very thirsty. Look at that. Oh, how pretty. And now this is the part that makes your stitch beautiful. Look. Amazing. I really, really adore these. They're super duper. Fantastic. You can see they're on floss drops. But these colors are amazing. Alright, so this is excellent products. I absolutely adore them. They're really, really cute. While I pack away, I just want to thank Outdoortide. You guys really, really rock. This is out of this world. I really adore it. Thank you very, very much. Then to you. Yes, you watching me. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me, more than you will ever know. Please go and look on Outdoortide. They've loaded all the newest 9 counts, and believe me, they are amazing, and I'll bring them to you soon. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.